to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to join our client OS or our client machine to our domain controller, which is Windows Server 2016. So here you can see I have already installed the ADDS and the DNS services here and in our domain controller, and I already promoted our server to domain controller, and now I will join this Windows client to this Windows Server 2016. So first what we need to do is first check your IP address. In my PC I have given the 192.168.1.10, and in our client OS we need to give that address as a gateway, default gateway address in IPv4. So double click here in IPv4 and provide the that IP address as a default gateway. One dot which is 1.10. Okay, and hit OK and give the DNS as the same IP address 192.168.1.10. Okay, then hit the OK. After changing our network setting, try to ping that server to just make sure that we are already connected. Okay, I am getting the response, means we are on the same network. We change the DNS and default gateway because we want to ping our server with the fully qualified domain name. That's why we need to add our DNS name, our DNS ID there. So now go to in your my computer, on right click on this PC or my computer, go to properties, and then here you can see the change setting here. Click that link, and here you can see that to rename this computer or change the domain or work group, click change. So click the change button. We can give this name PC name like PC1, and go to in a domain. Our domain name is lan.com. So and hit the OK button, and here you need to enter your credential, admin credential of your domain. Hit OK, and then see you will get the message like welcome to the lan.com domain. So log in as other users, and you can see sign in to LAN, means our PC is already connected to LAN. So LAN slash administrator and the password. Okay, so let's try to ping our PC 192.168.10.11. It's getting the transmission failure. Why? Let's see what's the problem here. My IP address is 1.11 and I typed like 10.11, so that's a problem. 1.